Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving the CSIR NET 2024 June questions. So this question is about our linear algebra. And the question says that let V be the subspace spanned by the vectors such that V1, V2 and V3, which is given in the question in the real vector space R to the power 5. Okay. So which of the following vectors are in the vector space V? So there are four options. So, okay, what can be done for that? We can, firstly, we are taking the first option. Then, if the subspace spanned by this, so these vectors, these, which is my correct answer, that will be spanned by these three vectors, v1, v2, and v3. So, so what is the meaning of span? Span means the linear combination of these three. Okay, so firstly, I am gonna check for our option A. So let us make that matrix, which is my, yeah, I am checking its option A is my feasible for that or not. We have just only do the elementary row operations here. So we can write that. Yeah. Then what will happen? Then it will be remain my 1, 0, 2, 3, 0. And the second row will be my 0, 0, 1, 3. There is 0. And 0, 0, 0. Another thing we can do that our r to the r4 minus, yeah, r5, yeah, r3, yeah. So 1 1 1 1 0. Then what can be done? Yeah, so we can minus our r2 minus, yeah, no, r1 minus r2. Then we will get my 1 0 1 0 0. Then it will be 0 0 1 3 0. Then 0 0 0 0 1, and we will get, no, 1 1 1 1 0. Yeah, then what can be done? Then from we are, yeah, doing this thing, my r5 minus r1, then we will get 1 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 3 0. We are just checking this vector is linearly dependent with it or not. When it will be linearly dependent, if the rank of this matrix will, if the rank of this matrix is my 4, then this matrix then the vector A, which is given in our option A, that will be my linearly independent with these three. So this, so that cannot be lie in our vector space. This is the logic of doing that. So if we rearrange the matrix as, yeah, then we get 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, and there it will be my 0 0 1 3 0. No, 0, again wrong. Yeah, 0, that will be my 1, and the last row will be 0 0 1 3 0. Then I want to change my this R3 and R4. Then we will get 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. And so we can see that, yeah, this matrix has our rank 4. 1, 1, 1 lies here and 1. So our option A is not our correct answer. Option A is not spanned by these 3. So this is not in our vector space. So option A will be cancelled out. So now we have to think our option B. We have to think for our option B. We have to check all the 4 options. Then we will get our correct answer. So again this is what? 10231, 10231, 00135, and 00001. Yeah, I think this is correct. 00001, and the last option, last vector will be my chosen from B, which is 00124. Yeah, so we can do R2 minus R4. Then we will get 10231, 00111. Yeah, so 00001, 1, sorry, that will be my 00012. Yeah. So again we can do the same thing with that. Then we will get R4 minus R2. Then 1 0. No, another thing we can do along with that as our R1 minus R2. Yeah. So 1 0 1 2 1. Then we will have, no, the last term will be 0. Yeah. So 0 0 1 1 1. Then we will have 0 0 0 0 1 and my 0 0. Oh, that will be 0 0 1 3. So now by the third row, we will eliminate the fifth column. So we can do our R2 minus R3 and R4 minus 3R3. Then we will get, yeah, our fifth row clean. Now I want to clean our this row. That means fourth row, fourth column. So what can be done by using this? My R2 minus R4 and again R1 minus 2R4. That is 2R4. Then 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 0 1 0. So after rearranging this, we can do, no, again we can do one thing, that our R1 minus R2 can be this 1 0 0 0, then 0 0 1 0 0, and yeah, so we can rearrange it in such manner. So we will get this. Yeah. So these are my 4 pivotal positions here, pivotal non-zero elements here. So my this is also of rank 4. So our option B will be cancelled out because this is not our correct answer here. Yeah. So now we have to check our for C and D. Yeah. So for C, we will take this 10231 00135 and 00. No, then it will be my 00001 and 10101. Okay, I think that will be my answer and the last also, but we have to check before saying anything. So what can be done here, that our I want to clear the column 5 firstly, so we can do r1 minus r3, again r2 minus 5 r3, and r4 minus r3. Then we will get 10230, and there will be 00130 and 00001. Then we will get 10100. Yeah. So now I want to clean the, no, yeah, I want to clean this row. So firstly we can do that. Our r1 minus r2. Then we will get 10100 and 00130 and 00001 10100. Then we can say that our, if we do r1 minus r5 r4, then we will get 00000 and my 00130 00001 and 1010. So we got a zero row here. So uh, our rank of this matrix will be less than 4. I think this is 3 because we got 3 pivotal positions here. So the rank of this will be 3. So this matrix, so this vector is my linearly dependent with this v1, v2 and v3. So our C is the correct answer. Now C is a correct answer, to be precise, because we have to check the D also. I think D will be also true, but we have to do the calculations for it. So again we can clear this last column. So we can do my r1 minus r3. Then we can do r2 minus 5 r3, and then r4 minus 2 r3. Then we will get 10230 00130 and 00001 and 10100. Then we can easily see that these and these are the same matrices. So the phenomenon will be same for so the phenomenon will be same. So now our D will also be the correct answer of this question. So C and D are the correct answers of this question. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.